In this lecture, we are going to create or edit a slide layout. First of all, you need to know what is a slide layout. When you come to the Home tab, you can see there is a layout button here. When you click on it, you can see there are several layouts that are available here. Not only you can use these layouts, you can also create one or edit the one that is already here. To create or to edit a layout, let me select New Slide and change the layout to blank so that there is no element that are present here. Now I'm going to edit this blank layout. For that, you need to go to View and then Slide Master. Here, whatever change you make, that will reflect in all the slides that use this layout. For example, let me close this master view, go to this slide and copy all these elements. Then come to View, Slide Master. Coming back to this blank layout, I'm going to paste it here. Also, let me make a few modifications, such as making this text bold, reducing the font size, and changing the character spacing to, let me leave it to very loose, but I'm going to shift this logo to somewhere here. Also, I'm going to shift this line up and reduce the size of this line. Place this subtitle here. So let me reduce the size or the font size of this subtitle to 15.5. That's it. Now, when I close this slide master view and come to this blank layout, you can see the heading, the logo and the subtitles are here. But when you click on it, you cannot edit it. Also, when you open this animations tab and animation pane, you can see no effect. But when I click play, this animation plays because the animation effects are in the slide layout itself. So whenever I click a new slide and I choose this layout that is blank, I will get the default headline and subtitle, also the logo along with the animations. But the thing is, I cannot edit this title for each slide. That is, I will be having the same title, the same logo and the same subtitle here. Since I am going to use the same title and subtitle, I am using these in the layout itself. But if you want to change the title and subtitle, then you can just leave the logo and the line alone in the layout. For example, go to View, Slide Master and just delete this title and subtitle, which you can manually add in each slides. So this is how you can edit a slide layout and add some ready-made elements that you want to use in every slide. In the next lecture, you will learn how to fragment a shape into different pieces.